This VR is for Bones Yard. Um, y'all go check him out, man. He did a secret giveaway, so I guess y'all know about it now or whatever. But good dude. Does Army Man Wars, cooks, other stuff, man. He's funny. Tell him Shane's World sent you. We'll talk to y'all later.
Yep. No diggity, no doubt. This is gonna be a shout out for old Bones World. I'm gonna do a little cooking video. He's doing a little secret giveaway or whatever. So let me show him how to cook, even though it ain't in no cast iron or out there in the camp made stuff. I ain't never been able to get none of that yet. But I will eventually. But I can do the same cooking, make it taste just as good in here. No diggity, no doubt. I'll be back. What? Gonna make some fried cabbage. Alright. After you get your bacon done, you know what? Always rinse your cabbage. But I always add onion to mine. So make sure you got your onion chopped up, ready to go. We'll be back. Sacrificed bacon. No diggity, no doubt. Now I got the onions on there. I'm using some bacon grease. Got some cabbage. I ain't gonna cook it. That's a couple of them. I'll throw my cabbage on here. I have to save some. Might have to save just a little bit for another batch. So I did do 2 heads. So we'll see. But get that all on there. You know what? I ain't gonna do that. We'll put it all on here. I take my lemon seasoning. Black garlic. You know you gotta have this, by the way. It's almost gone. Thanks to Dee. I'll break the bacon up and put it in there. Oh yeah. Just a few. Now watch how this turns out. I'll be back.
All that cabbage is sizzling. Don't judge me. I got pork chops, but they're thinner than what I thought they were gonna be. So I'm gonna just brown these. All I'm gonna do is brown the front and the back, and then I'm gonna show you what I do to them. So I'll be back with that too. Cause this is Chef Bones Yard RD right here. We finna put it in the game. Bones Yard, what? Now, I just flipped them. I only leave them on there about 2 minutes on each side. And then I put the other 2 on, and then I'm gonna put them in the oven.
Well, that cabbage is still frying. And the pork chops are in the oven. No diggity, no doubt. Bones Yard? Oh crap. Buttermilk biscuit cornmeal. And I do this all by, I just figure it out and go with it. I don't know measurements because I've done it so long. I just dump some in there. Dump some of that in there. When it's open. Another piece of bacon. Egg. And milk. Then you just whip it. Then if it's not to your liking, add a little more cornmeal to it. I think that's about done. No diggity, no doubt. And you just add it, and you flip it. I like it to be about like that. Now, and not rinse my pan. I got on low. And I put the cornbread in there. I might have had a little too much grease in there, but it'll cook in it. But that's how I do it, so let's see. Be back.
Now after I've let, and I think the cabbage is done, I just break this bacon up all over this cabbage. Let it cook for about 2 or 3 more minutes. One head would have been enough for us, so I put the rest up. This is about done right here. That's how. You can see when it's evaporating under water, you'll know. I like mine kind of crispy, so keep it like that. That's plenty. That is plenty for me. Right. Now, Chef Bojardi, once it's not really wobbling and stuff like that, let's see if I can even get it out of here without, might not be able to. Doggone it. Might have messed up on camera for y'all. Oh, no, it wasn't ready. Dang it. Anyway, I'll come back with a final. I shook it too much. It wasn't ready all the way. Edit.
Yep, I put a Boneyard special, Chef Bojardi, but it's still eatable. I'll still fix it. Y'all see. I just try to turn it too soon. Gotta watch cornbread especially when you ain't got a cast iron skillet either. Trying to cook it without that, but have to do the edit thing for Calvin. But y'all go back a couple years ago. Calvin seen my cornbread. Go look at my cornbread video. I know what I'm doing. I'll be back.
Anyway, what you're supposed to do is shake it out on the plate and let it come on out. Mine's a little sticking and all that, but then you take the plate and you flip it back on here. See, that's what you get when you ain't got a cast iron, you know. But anyway, I'm gonna get one, but I've done it without cast iron, but this one's sticky. I'll show you the final result when I'm done, because I'm gonna still eat it. Well, I ain't proud of my cornbread, but it got done. It's really good. I think I had left too much grease in that pan, so that was my bad. But on the other word, Chef Bojardi, what's up, man? I'm forgetting something. Get my Texas Pete over here. Let me chow down on these little pork chops. This was my VR for Bonejar. He cooks and stuff, man. He does a good job. He's a really funny guy. Which pretty much all y'all probably sub to him. But go check him out, man. Really cool guy, man. Really funny. And y'all stay tuned to the end of this video. Now, for y'all that hasn't seen these are like Them little snap pops, but for adults. Kids should not use these, but you throw them just like them. You see what I mean?
What you gonna do, Bones Yard? No diggity, no doubt.
God dang. One popped up in here. Alright. He's still alive.
Let the wars begin, Boneyard.